How to fix Snapchat remix option not available. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can fix if you don't have the remix feature available on your Snapchat app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is let me go ahead and open my Snapchat app on my phone. And as you actually open Snapchat, let's say that you tap on the story icon at the bottom right hand side, and let's say you actually open a friend snap right over here. What happens is that if you actually long press on it, and you would actually be able to see a remix snap option right over here, so that you can actually remix the snap and add a few more effects to it. However, if you don't have this option available, then we are going to run through some of the steps on which hopefully will be able to actually fix your issue. So first of all, what we want to do is that sometimes these kind of applications bugs happen due to lack of updates. So we're going to simply ensure that we have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can simply open your app store, and in the search box you can type in Snapchat, and then make sure that you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version and that you are using the latest version of Snapchat app. Because what happens is that sometimes a simple update would actually be able to fix your application issues. So make sure that you have actually updated it to the latest version. If this solution hopefully works for you, that is perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then we are going to move on to the second solution, and that is that once you are on the home screen, you want to simply long press on this Snapchat icon, and then you want to tap on the eye icon, which is right on the top of the screen for Android users. For iOS users, what you can do is that you want to go to your general settings, you want to go on iPhone storage, and there you want to tap on Snapchat and then try to offload the application. So for Android users, once you are on this page, what you can do is you can tap on the option called storage and cache. So go ahead and tap on storage and cache, and once you do that, you can go ahead and simply tap on clear cache as well, and you can also tap on clear storage and then come back. Once you clear your cache as well as your storage, is basically going to reset the Snapchat app as it was when you actually first installed the application. So once you do that, the other thing you can also do is simply try to force stop the Snapchat application. Try to force stop it, and then it is going to ask you to confirm it, and then go ahead and relaunch Snapchat, and this would have actually hopefully fixed your issue. We hope some of these solutions may have worked for you, and if it did work for you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.